Hey Taxi Tech crew, welcome back. Today we're diving into something changing how we play games and maybe even how we think about owning games. I'm talking about cloud gaming. No bulky hardware, no 100 gigabyte downloads, just click and play. In theory, but is it really the future of gaming or just another tech trend? Let's get into the video, guys. Cloud gaming is like Netflix, but for video games. Instead of downloading or installing a game on your PC, console, or mobile phone, the game runs powerfully from a remote server. What you see on your screen is essentially a video feed, while your inputs like your controller or your keyboard are being sent back to the server. You're not playing the game locally, but it feels like you are. When it works right, it's not new tech, but in the last few years, it exploded thanks to faster internet, 5G, and companies like Microsoft, Nvidia, and even Amazon. So now that you know what cloud gaming is, the real question is, why is cloud gaming getting so popular right now? For starters, Game Pass Ultimate. Microsoft basically said, what if you gave you a whole gaming library and let you stream it on anything? That broke the door wide open. Now people are gaming on laptops, Chromebooks, tablets, even TVs without console. The second reason is the internet infrastructure. The internet infrastructure has leveled up. Fiber, 5G, and better home Wi-Fi have made the idea of low lag cloud play way more practical than it did for the last 5 years. And let's be real, remote work culture helped a lot. People got used to using tech remotely for everything, work, meetings, school. So why not games too? But with all that momentum, you would think that cloud gaming is unstoppable, right? Well, not so fast. The tech is cool, but it's not perfect. First off, input lag. The slightest delay between pressing a button and seeing it happen, it's minimal on a good connection. But for competitive games like Call of Duty, Apex Legends, Valorant, or even FIFA, it's a deal breaker. You're going to see yourself like seeing that, oh wow, this device has a lot of input delay. And then there's internet dependency. If your connection is unstable, your game will crash, period. No connections, no gaming. That's not an issue with local installs. So not every game is available. There's licensing issues, publisher resistance, and region locks, meaning you can't just stream anything you want, at least not yet. So why are companies still pouring millions into this space? Let's talk future. Microsoft wants cloud gaming to be a sidecar to your console, not a replacement, but a complement. Start a game on Xbox, finish it on your phone during a lunch break with the same save files and the same account, and also no installs. Nvidia, on the other hand, Nvidia's geforce experience now takes it to a whole different experience. You can bring your Steam or your Epic library into the mix, and then you can play the games that you have on there, and they'll give you the hardware you need to run it. Meaning they'll give you the virtual hardware that you need to run it. Even Amazon with Luna is trying to carve out a nice niche of cloud gaming subscriptions. Twitch integration is all part of the ecosystem. It's not just making games easy to access. It's about building platform loyalty across every screen you own. But will it actually replace traditional gaming? Let's break that down in the next segment. Right now, cloud gaming's biggest win is convenience. You don't need to drop $1,000 on a gaming rig, but you also don't get the raw power, the ability to mod your games, or offline access that local gaming gives you. Hardcore gamers still want the performance and control that comes with owning the machine, but for casual users, cloud gaming is more than enough. Cloud gaming isn't here to replace your console. It's here to give you more ways to play, whether you're rocking a high-end gaming rig or just using a tablet on the go. It's about access and flexibility. And yeah, your internet connection still makes a big difference. So what do you think? Is cloud gaming part of your setup, or is it not quite there yet? Let me know down in the comments. I really want to hear from you on this. Do you use cloud gaming? Would you try it? Or do you still prefer building your own rig and running games locally? Drop a comment down below. even if it's just cloud gaming is cool or nah, I'm good. I read every single one of y'all comments and replies, and I try to reply to as many as I can. So, like if you learn something, sub if you vibe with the tech videos like this, but most importantly, don't be shy. Drop a comment down in the comment section. Like I always say, guys, peace.